Hello and welcome to yet another interesting tutorial on the MIT App Inventor, and this is presented to you by the KAWA Uganda team. And in today's tutorial we'll be learning how to build the image app, an app that lets you add the different images of your choice so that you get that very decent outlook, and that is the business that we are doing today. Okay, so for any project you're working on MIT App Inventor, for as long as it's something new, you always have to come here, then you start a new project. Then the project we are working on is called the image project, so you can just name it like the image. Then we give it some seconds to load and give us the other decent interface. Okay, so now this is now the interface that we have. We have the different components in the user interface, and we are going to be using this image component for us to be in position to add the images. But before we do that, we are going to go to the layout. Then we look at the different arrangements. We have the horizontal and the rest of the arrangements. But for now, we need the horizontal arrangement. We drag it to our viewer. Then as well, we move the horizontal scroll arrangement. This one gives you the option to scroll. We also drag it on the viewer screen. So now here we can work on different adjustments. We can adjust this height to 10%. Yes, we are making a plan for our app, how it's going to be. So this is going to be to 10%. Its width is, let's make it a fill parent. It's fill parents. Now when you're coming to the horizontal scroll one, we need this one to be to fill parent. Yes, then also its height to be to fill parent. Then after us giving the layout options, we now go back to the user interface. So we need a label there. Then this label, instead of us having it as text for label 1, we can wrap this up. Then we say this is now our image gallery. This is our image gallery. Okay, so now it has now auto corrected that to image gallery. Yes, and we are good to go. We can decide to come here to the colors. Then we maybe change the color depending on the color that we want. We can come and say maybe we want some color of that sort. Then that is good to go. Anything else, we can come here and maybe change we can change this color as well, so maybe a gray like that, and it's now good to go. So after you working on that label as well, we can go back to still layout, and we pick the vertical arrangements. Now we need the different vertical arrangements. For this sake, we want for the start, we want our app to display like 3 images, but the number of images depends on you who is ambitious of creating the app. It's you to make a plan for how many images you want to be displayed on your screen. So we have now gotten into all this. The next thing we are going to do is to come to this first vertical arrangement. Then we work on changing its height and its width. So for the width, we need its width to be we need it to be to 20. Yes. Then we need its height to be to fill parent. Yes. And as well on this one as well, we need this one as well to have the image width of 20. Yes. So okay, now we need its height to be to fill parent. Yes. Same to this one, we need its width to be to 20. Then we need its height to be to fill parent. Okay, so now we are good to go. This is what we are heading to. We have worked on all this. Next thing is for us to go back to the user interface. We now get the image components, we drop them onto our viewer screen, and we are good to go. So we have the options now for first image, second and third. So we come to this first image, we come here to picture, we upload a file, we first choose a file. So we have the different images. How we have updated that one. We now come to this one as well. We come to picture, we upload a file. We have this image. We can choose as many images as we want. Now we come to this one as well. We have the third one, and we have the picture. We upload a file. We have this image. Okay, so we give it a minute to upload. So now these are the different images that you have. These are now the different images that you are going to be having on your screen. And this is an app that we are modeling. This is the app that we are building. So after you're working on these images, remember we are designing an image app, so you can come to the connecting options, either use AI companion or use the emulator or use the USB. You will be in position to see your app in your phone in a very, very decent outlook. So depending on how you have planned for this, this is how your image is going to be. If you wanted so many images to be displayed, and also maybe if you wanted a text also to be displayed, there are all things that you can keep modifying and adding into your screen. So if you're working on AI companion, just have to scan this code on your phone, then you are good to go, and the images are going to be displayed on your screen. So that is that about the image app. By you doing that, it's a big congratulations that you have now made your image app. Thank you so much.